Alright, the Galaxy Ring 2 might be coming sooner than you think. The first-gen Galaxy Ring hasn't even celebrated its first birthday yet, but rumors are already pointing to its successor debuting in January 2025. And where? At Samsung's Unpacked event, of course, right next to the Galaxy S25 lineup. Oh, and there's a cherry on top. Samsung might also unveil its very first XR headset. Yep, it sounds like January is going to be packed, no pun intended. Now, let's rewind for a second. The original Galaxy Ring made its first appearance at Galaxy Unpacked in January 2024, then took the stage again at MWC and finally hit the market in July. It was, and still is, one of the best smart rings out there, holding its own against big names like the Oura Ring 4, but with the competition heating up, Samsung isn't wasting any time. So, what's new with the Galaxy Ring 2? For starters, it's rumored to sport a slimmer profile. If you thought the first Galaxy Ring was sleek, this one could take it up a notch. And let's talk fit. Samsung seems to be addressing that by adding 2 new sizes, 14 and 15, to the lineup. That's a total win for people who had trouble getting the perfect fit with the original. Of course, a smart ring is only as good as its tech, and the Galaxy Ring 2 is rumored to bring some serious upgrades. We're talking more accurate health sensors and enhanced AI capabilities, along with improved sensor placement. And let's not forget battery life. It's believed to be more than 7 days across all sizes. So, charge it once and forget about it for at least a week. That's a major plus. But here's where things get a little cloudy: NFC. The first Galaxy Ring skipped this feature, and it looks like the second one might too. That's a bummer if you were hoping to pay for your morning coffee with just your ring. Fingers crossed Samsung surprises us on that front, but don't hold your breath. As for the price, rumors suggest it'll stick to the $399 starting point of the original. Yeah, it's one of the pricier smart rings on the market, but considering the features Samsung's packing in, it might just justify the cost. And hey, no price hikes? That's a relief in itself. So, there you have it. The Galaxy Ring 2 could be thinner, smarter, and better fitted for everyone. But is it enough to convince you to upgrade or take the plunge into the world of smart rings? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're as hyped for Samsung's January Unpacked as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button for all the latest leaks, rumors, and updates. Catch you in the next one.